OpenSky is known for offering a secured credit card option that does not rely on a traditional credit score check for approval, making it a common choice for people rebuilding credit. If you want to improve your chances of getting approved for OpenSky, you'll learn what information to prepare, what can delay approval, and how to avoid common application mistakes. The first step is preparing accurate application information. OpenSky reviews the details you provide, so make sure your name, address, income information, and personal details are correct before submitting your application. A secured card requires a security deposit because that deposit helps protect the issuer if payments are missed. Make sure you understand the deposit requirement and have the necessary funds available before applying. Before applying, check your credit reports. Even when a card is designed for people building credit, reviewing your reports helps you identify errors that could affect your overall financial profile. Look for incorrect account information, inaccurate late payments, or accounts that do not belong to you. If you find mistakes, dispute them with the credit bureau, reporting the information. Another way to avoid delays is making sure your application information matches your official documents and financial records. Differences between your application and your records can create additional review steps. After approval, the fastest way to make the account useful is by managing it responsibly. Make payments on time, keep your account active, and monitor your credit reports to track changes. A secured card can help establish positive credit history when payments are reported and the account is managed properly. If your OpenSky application is denied or delayed, review any explanation provided and check whether missing information or application errors caused the issue. The main steps are preparing accurate information, understanding the secured deposit requirement, checking your credit reports, and managing the account responsibly after approval. Your next step is to review your financial information before applying, gather the required details, and submit your OpenSky application carefully to avoid unnecessary delays. If this helped you understand how to get approved for OpenSky faster, like the video and subscribe for more credit card and credit building guides.